Hello, this is Canyon Ranch PTO, and today we're going to talk about how you can add CRE PTO as your charitable organization on your Amazon account. This video will walk you through how you can choose CRE PTO as your charitable organization. Amazon Foundation will donate 0.5% of all purchases that you make on the Amazon website to fund our PTO. First step would be to log on to www.smile.amazon.com on your browser. Next, you enter in your user ID or email ID and password to log into your Amazon account. Once you log in, on the top left-hand corner, there is a drop-down button that you can click into, and it will allow you to change your charity or add a charitable organization if you already don't have one. And this will take you to the next page that you're about to see. So once you click on that drop-down button, this will be the next page that you will see. On the right-hand side, you will see a button where it says Change Charity. Go ahead and click into that. And on the bottom, it will ask you which charitable organization you want to search. So you want to type in Canyon Ranch Elementary PTO. And it should pop up as the first one. And go ahead and select that. And now you've changed your charity to Canyon Ranch Elementary PTO. So all purchases that you make on Amazon, a portion of it will go to 0.5% of it will go to our PTO. You can also check how much has been generated by you based on the purchases that you've made thus far by clicking on the same drop down button that you did earlier when you logged into the account. It will show you the amount that has been generated by you thus far and how much we have received. You can also download the Amazon app on your Android or iPhone for an easier experience. You can choose CRE PTO as your charitable organization via the app, as well using the same processes as described earlier. Thank you so much for your support with our PTO. The funds raised help us enrich your kids' school experience. Some of the events that we fund are teacher grants, teacher-requested kits for classrooms, playground equipment, teacher and staff appreciations. We really appreciate your support. For more further information, please visit us online at canyonranchpto.com.